A high-definition TV screen that flickers can be frustrating, but there are several potential causes and solutions to this problem. First, the power source may be faulty, resulting in a flickering screen. To troubleshoot this issue, try unplugging the TV and plugging it back into a different socket. Alternatively, unplug the TV, press and hold the power button for a few seconds, wait about 10 minutes, and then reconnect it to the power source. Another possible cause of a flickering screen is tampered picture settings. To reset the picture settings, go to the home screen, select Settings, choose the picture option, and scroll down to reset. From there, click on Reset to Default, and then confirm by selecting OK in the dialog box. Damaged or dusty cables can also interfere with signal transmission, causing the screen to flicker. To address this issue, unplug all HDMI cables, inspect them for damage, and check the TV ports for any damage. If no damage is found, try reconnecting the HDMI cable to a different port. As a last resort, a factory reset can be performed, but this will erase all data. To do this, go to the home screen, select Settings, scroll down to Device Preferences, and then choose Reset. By trying these troubleshooting steps, you may be able to identify and fix the issue causing your TV screen to flicker.